So hello students, in this video we are going to discuss this problem. Okay, let's begin the observation part here. If you observe, the x is given to us, this that is 3 minus root x. Now let's discuss the value of 1 by x. Now here we are going to rationalize it, and after rationalizing what you will get that 1 by x is going to be 3 plus root x. Okay, quite obvious because here it is going to be a minus b, a plus b formula, that is a square minus b square you will apply here. Now let's begin the solution part here. First of all, we have to recall some of the identities. The first identity is a cube plus b cube. Next, you have to recall a square plus b square. Okay, now what I will do here, that I will substitute this value. I will substitute this value from here. Okay, after substituting, what I will have, that is a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus ab. So it will become minus 3ab. Okay, now we will multiply as well. So here I just multiplied this, so I get 1 plus ab whole cube, and here if I multiply, it is going to be minus 3ab a plus b. Okay, now we know that a is going to be x here and b is going to be 1 by x. Okay, now let's calculate the value of x plus 1 by x, and let's calculate the value of x into 1 by x. Okay, so we will get this because we have 3 plus root 8 plus 3 minus root 8, that is root is going to be cancelled out. Now next 1 by x into 1 by x is going to be 1. So let's substitute the values. Okay, if we substitute the value here, so it is going to be 6, this is going to be 6 and 1. Okay, now 6 cube is going to be 216 and this is going to be 18. Now we just have to subtract them and we will get the answer, that is 198. For such videos, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.